Hey everyone, and welcome to our final chapter of Booleans, the string membership operator. Essentially, the string membership operator allows us to check if a string or a character is present within another string. We can also use this to check if a value exists within another list. The result, however, is going to be a Boolean. It's going to return either true or false. And that is how it relates to Booleans. So let's go ahead and see this in our code. To use a string membership operator, we're going to check if a character exists within a string. So first, we're going to create our first string and call it, and we're going to store John inside name. Then we're going to check if O exists inside name, and we're going to store the result inside a variable called present. So the way that we do this is we're going to say O in, this is a string membership operator, name. Essentially, if O exists within this variable, then we're going to get true inside present. Otherwise, we're going to get false. And as you can see, it actually evaluates to true. Now, we can also do this the opposite way. We can check if it's not inside name. So if we want, we can check if O is not in name and store the value in present. Now, because we know that O is inside John, we're going to get false, just like we did over here. However, if we're going to go ahead and change it to, let's say, A and run it, then we'd actually get the result true. Why? Because A is not in name. So actually what we're asking, the answer is yes, A is not in name. It's a little bit tricky and it's reverse logic, but it can be very useful.